Vanakkam Makle, welcome back to our channel Jarvis in 2016. So in this video we are going to see about a T20 match full detail preview, West Indies versus South Africa. They will be called as Proteas as a nickname, and so this match will be like very interesting match because West Indies lineup and squad looking very prominent, and they have lot of firepower to do today's match, and bowlers also looking good. They look like all-star 11 West Indies like that. They are looking for their squad. See match details, date and time. Today date and 11:30 Indian Standard Time and National Cricket Stadium, Grenada. And see the 5-match lost form. West Indies have lost and win, loss, and see South Africa win, loss, win, no result and loss. And head-to-head records between West Indies and South Africa. So 10 matches they have played. West Indies have won 6 and South Africa have won 6. Sorry, West Indies won 4 and South Africa won 6. And weather report: the weather at Grenada will be mostly cloudy with little rain and predicted during the match. We may see a few rain delays and possibilities of shortened game cannot be denied. The temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius in Grenada. And pitch report: the surface of Grenada, St. George, Grenada is a high scoring one. It has good bounce and decent pace, which makes it an ideal pitch for batting. So you must pick all the top order batsmen and also full batting team. So if you are taking the team for SL and GL, 6 batsmen must you have to take because it's a high scoring venue. And last T20 have scored above 200 in both innings also, because in both the team more firepowers are there and bowlers will be slightly afraid of bowling at this venue. So in this venue, whatever they bowl, it won't work because batsmen having much more advantage in this pitch, and spinners might get some help towards the second innings. So if those who batting second, they are winning more games. So average first inning score, so decently average average means they are out of 10 or 20 matches they will calculate average. So in that itself 204 runs average, so solidly. So think about the runs. How about if West Indies batting first, sure they will hit about 200. And record of chasing team, 60% of matches have been won while batting first in recent 5 matches. So these are the playing 11 and also bench players list. So South Africa squad, full squad list and bench players, and also West Indies full squad and bench list, and top picks for Dream 11 prediction and fantasy cricket tips. So in my opinion, if you want to pick top players like De Kock, Chris Gayle, Kagiso Rabada, Lyndon Simmons, Kieron Pollard, so these are the top players. So De Kock is in top form recently. He is coming off 2 centuries in test matches. So in test matches he scored 2 centuries and he is in more batting strong person and also aggressive brand of cricket. And Chris Gayle, we don't need to explain about Chris Gayle and all. He's a very good player and he is probably in the last phase of his career. So Chris Gayle might retire after some games. So in this game he will show his full power. The surface helping striking, making and bit of pace on bat. So he will easily take the ball to boundaries. And Kagiso Rabada, one of the top wicket takers in the IPL of Delhi Capitals, and he has a good pace and bounce, and also he can use slower ones. So he will be effective on this kind of surface. So slower bowlers also slower balls also he can bowl. So Kagiso Rabada is very good. And Lyndon Simmons, you all know, very good batsman he is. Good 50 runs in 7 innings with an average of 50 runs per innings with the South Africa. So he'll be batting at the number 3 and hence can be tired as a captaincy option. So you can be take him as a captain also. And Kieron Pollard, so one man army. If you want to take a batsman and bowler, so if you have only one choice and one player have to take, means you have to blindly take Kieron Pollard. He will bowl, he can bat, he will field, whatever he in position he will do in cricket. So you take Kieron Pollard as a captain and vice captain in your GL team. And expert advice: since the venue has been a very high scoring match, so you will be taking a lot of top order batsmen and dead bowlers. So wisely select the dead bowlers. Batsmen you can easily select, but in dead bowlers you have to select who will be bowling dead over. And batsman especially is the one that can play long innings at the top 3 spots, should be the go-to man for captaincy. So long innings, you can take Gayle, but he will start in like 30 for 20 balls he will play. He will hit full power and he will go consistently. The batsman who stands in the ground, he must take the top order batsman. So last 3 matches at this ground, play matches report. So 2 ODI, 1 T20 and rest matches are played before 2014. So in Ireland, Ireland to the 203 and West Indies 199 and won by DLS method, pace 6 and spin 9. So fast bowlers taken 6 wickets and spin bowlers taken 9 wickets, including both the team Ireland and West Indies. And England 418 for 6, West Indies 318 and for 10. So pace have taken 10 and spin have taken 6 wickets. So Ireland 208 and West Indies 204, pace 9 wickets, spin 5 wickets. So here is a West Indies match prediction. So in match prediction, I want to say in case 1, if West Indies bat first, West Indies will surely score above 170 or 180. That's for sure. And West Indies will win the match by 15 to 25 runs if they bat first. And case 2, if South Africa bat first, the average for South African score for first score will be 150 or 160. And West Indies will win the match by 5 wickets because West Indies have more firepower in T20. So choose a team according to West Indies player. And also South African players also important. They are not that much weak. And interesting match facts of West Indies. So this is a said be Kieron Pollard's 18-man T20. As a captain of West Indies, taking to outright the third of most appearance as a captain for West Indies in the format. Also Chris Gayle 17 and Darren Sammy 47, Carlos Brathwaite 30 have played more men's T20 as a captain of the side. So Aiden Markram, South Africa has hit a boundary once every 3 balls faced in men T20 since the beginning of 2019. So Markram, he's hitting boundary for every 3 balls. And the most frequent of any batter, minimum of 50 balls faced from a test playing country in that time. So Evan Lewis 989 runs in 11 is 11 away from becoming the 6th player to score 1000 runs for West Indies in men's T20. If he reaches the milestone in this match, he would be second fastest player, 35 innings. So you guys, you all read the match, interesting match facts. I'll be scrolling the match facts, you read one by one, it will be helpful for you. I have collected various stats from various resources. So that's all for today's match. And one more thing, if you are playing GL, take your captain and vice captain as a batsman. That's an important note for you. And let's see Dream 11 team. So if you want to win 20 lakhs and 5 lakh in this game, you must take very good team and supporting the West Indies and South Africa, like 16 in favor of West Indies, 16 in favor of South Africa. So this will be my initial SL team. So you can keep De Kock as a captain, Simmons as a captain, Pollard as a captain, Van der Rosen as a captain, Rabada also captain, Russell also a good choice for captain, even Levis also good captain. So make your team according to that, and I will post all my GL team in my Telegram channel only. So this is my Telegram channel. I have posted my England versus Sri Lanka T20 game GL team. So all GL team I have placed here. So this will be SL and GL. All teams have been here in my Telegram channel. So just search Jarvis Official, you will get my channel. And for those who's banned Dream 11 in their states, you can download Sportz, very good game, and easily you will get 500 cash bonus using my code Jarvis18. And one more thing, if you're taking more all-rounders, take Jason Holder also if he starts, and also Andre Flekia, he will be a good player. And if you want to take 6 batsmen, Hoondal, Gayle, Miller, Van Rosen, Simmons, Markram, De Kock, if Nicola Pooran you start, just take him also. And Fletcher, if you starts, Fletcher is in dead form, so good form he is in. And in all-rounder, Russell must, and also Pretorius or Holder you can take like this, like if you are taking more batsmen. And in bowler, take dead over bowler Rabada, Norche and Fidel Edwards. And pitch supports spinners most, so you take spinners according to your wish. I have given more stats and detail. If you want more stats from this, I can give you, message me in Telegram. So I have given my contact in Telegram also, Jarvis18, and my channel link at Jarvis Official. So I think this is enough for you guys. Let's see you in match time. Thank you guys.